Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, November 16th, 2020. It's an A day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Here are some things that you're going to hear about in the Family Weekly. So I'm going to go over those things. So today, this week we are celebrating the Anti-Bullying Week by dressing out a uniform. So today, you can wear your favorite team shirt. So if you saw, I'm wearing my Spurs shirt with jeans. Tomorrow is a neon color shirt with jeans. Wednesday is unique socks with a collared shirt and jeans. Thursday is your superhero shirt or a cape with jeans. And Friday is your favorite South Flores Spirit shirt with jeans. So don't forget to be out of uniform. Also, we have our turkey trot winners. I'm so excited to announce them. Nice job running the fastest in your grade level. In pre-K, we have Aaliyah Johnson. Kindergarten, Aiden Gonzalez. First grade, Raylan Chavez. Second grade, Mark Cervantes. Third grade, Perry Lucio. Fourth grade, Dylan Donnell. Fifth grade, Jeffrey Benavides, and fifth grade, and Rise is Ruben Sandoval. Those scholars that are virtual winners that go to school virtually, please contact Miss Jessica Garcia. Her phone number is in the Family Weekly, and arrange a day and time you want to pick up those turkeys. So nice job, scholars. Also, don't forget, next week is Thanksgiving break next week, so make sure you have something planned for your scholars to do. Also, keep reading. I see more and more Royal Readers coming up and Math Geniuses, so keep up the hard work. Today is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot hoot!